Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones Futures Review. I'm going to go over what happened uh, on Thursday and Friday. We're going to talk about some bigger points. We're going to talk about what we've been seeing for the past few weeks, if I can too. So, right here, we're on a 4 hour chart on Dow Jones Futures. White lines are the levels I'm looking at. These are important supports and resistances derived from price action that I look for my setups around. Orange lines are more for profit taking and confluence in the setups that we're looking for. Usually the setups we're looking for are volatility grabs below previous lows. So for example, a low was set here. We undercut it um, last Friday and we took off. You can see another example. A low was set here. We lost it and we recovered it Friday overnight. Nice face fill breakdown. And then we get those almost every day, at least one. So this is a 4 hour chart again, Dow Jones Futures. We have been bull flagging, and we nearly tagged the resistance here, support here, but we didn't. But that level is an important level anyways. In the future, if we can get down there and lose that low and regain it, or get close to it and then regain the level above, that'd be an A plus fail breakdown. But anyways, we broke down, we broke out last Monday from our bull flag here, back tested it and sat at that resistance turn support from Wednesday morning until Thursday morning. So for nearly 24 hours, we just sat on this support um, until we came back and started popping up. So let's go to a 45-minute chart and start looking at the setups that we had and how one would have played this. So on Wednesday afternoon, we had a little low set here and then we lost it around the open, and 7:30 we undercut it and then regained it right away into the evening. One could have taken that long for some points. It went up to about 46.78, so about almost 9 points above the level, and then take profit, sit on a runner. And since this was a failed breakdown here, it never lost the low, so it's still active. Eventually, Thursday morning, we popped it exactly to this level and then sold down and then came back up. That is what you call a reclaim, perfect acceptance. Hit the level, sold down, and then come back up. You can go long a couple points above. This took a while. It triggered around 12:45 Thursday, and then it just kind of sat there for the rest of the evening. Friday morning, it came back down, undercut, and then started popping back up. When I woke up, I noticed this and I thought it was bullish. We took a little bit of a long right here, and then that worked itself up, hit this level, sold a little bit before continuing to push up, hit our target level again, broke up above a little bit, just about 13, 14 points, and it has just been consolidating there. I didn't derive this level until we hit this target, and I just assumed that that was going to be some type of resistance up there. I do want to talk about on a 2 hour chart something that I'm very proud of in terms of the work we do. I had this as a target for weeks, months, and we hit it within almost 2 points and sold down from 47.31 all the way to 45.37 for nearly 180 points, the biggest sell we've had in Dow Jones in a long time. We then came back again to that zone on Tuesday morning, and we sold it again just about 70 points, which is still a pretty big sell in Dow Jones futures these days. We set up this little trap above the bull flag, resistance turned support, and then we came back up and went above. This is just charting 101. I'm just really glad that I'm able to continue to build a trust with the system I'm working with. Moving forward, what we're going to be looking for now are some setups. We're going to want some pullback. The best setup probably I see right now will be a failed breakdown of this low right here, but you're talking about nearly 80 plus points below, so we probably won't get that right away, and we get some other setups first. The first one I'll see is a back test of this resistance area. You have a little mini low here. If we can come and tag this level or undercut a little bit and then come up a couple points and hold, I'd be willing to take a long there, as that will be about 40-50 points selling into that area and that level. If we can dip a little more, like I said, the failed breakdown of this would be great. Otherwise, after that, it gets a little tough. I don't think there's really a great direct long until this one. However, in the above white major levels, you can look for structure to form over time, and then decide what looks good from there. So Dow Jones bullish as ever. We've been tracking this for a while. Here's another different bull flag I'm considering on an 8-hour chart. This one is a little bit still maturing, I should say. When it comes to bull flags, you can understand that they change and grow as price action dictates. You're just using them for reference, not for any charting really. Excuse me, for any trades. But yeah, that's Dow Jones right now. We've been bullish for a while. We haven't had to worry about any of these lower end levels yet. So let's focus on that, and I'll be back with the setups for Sunday and Monday.